So we are in Pushkar. Let me give you a little room tour. This is our digs for 2 nights. And guys, a Western toilet. Oh, with
a full-size toilet roll.
And the view, jaisalmer. So the first thing that we've noticed being here is the air's cleaner and you can actually see the sun, you can see the clouds. What a difference it makes. And Pushkar is actually built around a lake, very similar to Varanasi with the Ghats. So we've just come out of our guest house and we're just gonna have a little mooch around, see what's what. There's ladies here. There's very, very rare you see this many ladies that we've seen in actually India. So namaste ji, namaste ji. Okay, so we've come away from the main strip. We're just walking around at the back streets now just to see what's... Just being really bloody nosy.
Hello.
Namaskar. So friendly, the children, they like literally see a Western and they have to practice their English. Hello, how are you? A lot of this.
Tastes very funny.
It does, doesn't it?
It doesn't taste like your standard banana shake, does it? So I kind of fancy a Nutella crap.
We are going down to Pushkar Lake. It's lovely, it's really, really peaceful at the moment. We're just waiting for a derrick to pop out of nowhere. But so far, so good. Let me just get you a little bit of space. No shoes. It ain't smelt my feet, they'll be telling me to put mine back on. Derrick approaching. Right, so we're going to show you a little derrick here. Jessie? Yeah. Right. No, I'm not taking my shoes off here. You haven't laughed, there's cow shit everywhere. So, they're taking us somewhere. The chances are they're going to want money.
We'll just go back up here.
We're going to leave it because you can't. I ain't got patience for this time of night. Nahi Tenavad. We have come to the falafel wala. There's a massive Israeli culture here and it's reflected, and there's a lot of food, Israeli food. So I've gone for, there's obviously no meat, so I'm a vegetarian here, but it's like a falafel wrap. It's got yogurt in it, there's chips inside, there's spices, there's salad, and I think there's a few falafels and hummus in here. So don't watch me eating, you're not having any.
Hey!
So they're at it again. That wasn't for me. Well, it wasn't for us. Don't really do big crowds, especially when there's lots of things. It just wasn't for us at all.
I enjoyed it.
You would? No, thank. And if one more person tries to sell me a weird kind of Bible, I couldn't tell you. They're not dressed like Indians. They've got these marks. There's a lot of men with no thank you. Oh, no thank you. I don't. They're all just very. If anybody knows what religion they are, faith, culture, because this is me in my ignorance. Am I an educationalist?
It's a temple of the Lord.
Is
So,
it
Tilak means it's spiritual mud taken from Dwarka city. This book, this is just...
So how'd you get on there, Hames?
I didn't understand a word he said. Something about Krishna. They wear it for good luck. That's about it. But it's yeah. I know that he was coming from a good place with it, so it's appreciated. Them honks, they literally go right through you.
Once again, we've walked into a major festival season.
Yeah. It's a camel fair. Would you like to tell them about it?
Yes. Well, we'll show you all the footage tomorrow, actually.
Me and Scott spent the rest of the night drinking chai masala tea and a banana lassi and watching the world go by. Okay, so that day has come. It's final. D-Day is upon us. We have rented out a 125 moped. Yeah. Helmets though, safety first. So I'm just going to get some footage of it just to ensure scratches. So we've been on this bike for like 10 minutes. We've done a 360 completely, ended up back outside the hotel, and now we've ended up in the main market. Awkward.
Want to see something funny? Amy's first time on a moped.
Stop and start.
Stop and start. Slowly, slowly. Put your feet up. Oh, how many scratches are on the bike? All right, turn it right. Okay, now keep it that way. I'll spin it. I'll spin it. You got to lift the front wheel up to stop it. I'm joking. I'm joking. There.
See what this traffic's like this time of night. It's about 5 o'clock. Ladies, if you want to get a moped, sports bra, and 2 words, 10 a lady. Oh, yeah. Right, so yeah, nice knowing you all. This is the mountain that we're going to climb.
We've been lazy today because we got the moped. We've done no exercise. So look what we're going to do.
What's wrong with doing no exercise? We didn't come on holiday to exercise.
We're doing it. And you're at least going to get halfway up before you have a bitch fit, turn around and
See
want
what
to come
so you all
down.
think he's all sweet and innocent. It's a pusher.
I lost count of the steps at about 7,000?
About that.
I was roughly keeping.
We haven't got the microphone on because there's monkeys and they're rabbits, so it's windy as hell. We come up here for the sunset.
And where is it though, Ames? Have we missed it? Are we too early? Beautiful to see though, just to be away from the hustle and bustle of Delhi, Jaipur, Agra. This is rural India.
So we've come down to the camel fair. It's surreal.
Especially when you look at the trek these people are taking to get here. Like we say, some of them up to 3 weeks on foot to get here.
It's actually the biggest camel
Trading fair
in Rajasthan. Some of the camels look really, really pretty. They've got on all of their best dress wear, haven't they?
They have, yeah.
They have. I mean, it's not just a fair for not just a trading fair. They've got stalls here. There's actually a fun fair at the top, but a big warning: you do get a lot of people pulling you into their shops, which is fine. We've done our bit.
We have been hassled a lot, and they follow you down the road, but it's expected at these main events, and yeah, we just started being brutal with them.
Yeah. But we're not going to let it spoil for us coming here, because it is a massive thing in Rajasthan. Trying to get accommodation here when this fair is here, it's impossible. We can pay up to £20 a night. If you're ever in this end of the desert, pop in and have a look. So this happens. Scott, do you want to...
Excuse me.
I look very tired. I look sleepy.
I am already sleeping.
Yeah.
Smile, please.
Ladies, if you're blonde, expect this a lot. So we've come down to Pushkar Lake.
This is one of the 5 holy places, holy lakes in India. Yeah, it's busy obviously during the Camel Festival time. Yeah, so we're going to give you some slow-mo shots of the lake itself.
Yep, and the music you'll hear over the top was actually, there's a gentleman going around, a baisab going around, playing the, I think it's the Indian guitar. We had a quick snap, cheeky little record of it, but just reading a sign down there, it says no photography, so we're going to stealth it again, yeah? Roll the slow-mo shots.
Let's do it. It's our final night in Pushkar. Let's go find some good grub.
Babes,
Yeah?
do you know taking out a nice romantic meal?
Yes.
Can we take them with us?
What then, lot?
Yeah, I know they won't like it as spicy as, but should we just maybe show them? There is actually quite go to a bit of a posh place and show off a little bit.
Just a bit though.
Just a bit.
Come on then.
नमस्कार काफी मंदूक के लिए एक टेबल रिजर्व करवाना चाहता हूँ. Thank you. I try. So our spread for tonight, obviously because it's all vegan here, I did order a chicken fowl hot, like you do. We've got some biryani rice. I've gone with the, what is it, paneer do piyaz.
Yes,
Do piyaz.
the onion dish.
Yeah, piyaz is actually onion in Hindi. Tip number one. Scott, what have you had?
I've got the cashew curry, and I've asked for a vindaloo hot, as you do. Very good.
Yeah, what we're trying to understand is the difference between a chapati and a naan, because the naan bread over here are nothing like the ones you get in the UK. They look like this, which is fine. They taste friggin' amazing, but it's
Should have got two though. The portions are smaller, but
they say that the Indian food here is nothing like it is in England. And you know what? I hate to admit it, but they're right, are they not?
well, you can't get the vindaloo, you can't get the fowl, but you can get a lot. There's a big range of curries, and they are tasty.
It's not a bad thing. It's not
yeah.
that the food's bad. The food is the dogs. It's good, but it's just not the same as what we're used to with Old Cafe Spice.
They do say the food's different in each state. Obviously, when we move down south, they'll do the gone dishes, which will give you.
No. Down south they do steak. We are not vegans. We are not vegetarians. We will eat anything. True?
Juicy burger.
Oh, damn. So we're fed, we're watered.
Oh, I'm absolutely stuffed.
Do you know how much that came to? Have a guess.
13 quid, curry for two, beer each.
Shh, no alcohol. No, it was good. So what we're going to do now, we are going to show you, the shopping. The shopping in Pushkar is absolutely amazing. You can literally get t-shirts, you can get your own clothes made to your own size, you can buy all of your souvenirs, they've got rugs, they've got handbags. Literally, just look at what Mr. RingStingers, well, how he's getting through the crowd, I should say, but it's literally everything. The food in Pushkar as well, the street food, highly recommend. All the jewellery you can think of. So, yeah, make sure you bring an extra suitcase, guys, if you're heading to Pushkar. So the RingStingers want to show you the posh side to Pushkar. We have come to the Hard Rock. It's like a bar eatery place. It's absolutely beautiful. The views, and obviously it's retreat night. Do you know what I mean? So, ooh, I like it. This is the owner. The whole of Pushkar is now listening to Britney Spears. That's how the RingStingers roll. So that's us leaving our accommodation. We've got a coach. No, I'm lying. Yeah, no, we've got a train. Oh my God, we've got a train today.
AC train.
Yeah, but hopefully we'll be a little bit more successful than the attempted bus route. So we will see you in
Jodhpur.
So what have you heard about trains and toilets? I'm going to take you in with me. And the soap. So we've been sat on the train for how many hours?